This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos de tripa. First, prepare your tripas by rinsing, trimming, and soaking them in salted water with a splash of vinegar. Boil until tender, then chill before cutting into bite-sized pieces. Pat dry thoroughly to avoid splatter when frying. Use neutral oil and medium-high heat to crisp the tripas evenly. Finish with warm corn tortillas and fresh, bright toppings to balance richness. Proper cleaning makes the difference between a good and great tripa taco. Start by turning the intestines inside out and rinsing under cold running water until clear. Soak them in salted water with a dash of vinegar for at least 30 minutes to reduce odor and loosen membranes. Trim away yellow fat and any tough bits before blanching. Good cleaning ensures a clean flavor and a crispy final texture that everyone will enjoy. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, fresh scent after taco runs and messy prep. It's a small thing that makes driving home from the taqueria nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After cleaning, simmer tripas with onion, garlic, and bay leaf until fork tender. Cooling makes cutting easier. Slice into bite-sized pieces and pat completely dry to prevent oil splatter. Fry in neutral oil at medium-high heat until edges are crunchy and centers are tender, about 6 to 10 minutes depending on size. Plate on warm corn tortillas and top with chopped onion, cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and your favorite salsa for perfect balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.